Welcome to all of you dear students. Today we are going to solve the sixth problem in case of internal reconstruction. On reconstruction of a company, the following terms were agreed upon. The shareholders to receive in place of their present holdings, namely 50,000 equity shares of rupees 50 each. The shareholders to receive the following: fully paid equity shares of 2/5 of their present holdings, 5% preference shares of fully paid to the extent of 1/5 of the above new equity share, and 60,000 rupees in debenture. Prepare capital reduction account. What does this question talks about? There is a old equity share that is exchanged with, I repeat, that is exchanged with new equity share, new preference share and new debenture. So old preference share is taken back and they are giving you new preference share, new equity share and new debenture. So 1:3 ಒಂದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಬದಲು ವಿನಿಮಯ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿನಿಮಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ and give the new equity share, new preference share and new debentures. Now let's look into details. On reconstruction of a company, the following terms were agreed upon. The shareholders to receive in place of their present holding, namely 50,000 equity shares of rupees 50 each. Means 50,000 into 50, you get 25 lakh. So 50,000 into 50, you get 25 lakh is a total equity capital. The shareholders to receive the following. So ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಿನಿಮಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. They exchange old equity share with new equity share. Fully paid equity shares of 2/5 of their present holding. What is the present holding? ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Into 2/5, 10 lakh. So in place of old 25 lakh equity share, they are giving you 10 lakh new equity share. 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಬದಲು 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next, 5% preference shares fully paid to the extent of 1/5 of the above new equity share. ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಬದಲು ಇವಾಗ ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. In place of old equity share, they are giving you new preference share. How much do they give? 5% preference shares fully paid to the extent of 1/5 of the above new equity share. How much is the above new equity share? 10 lakh. So in the 10 lakh, they are giving you 1/5, 2 lakh. They are giving you 1/5, 2 lakh. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 lakh. ಸೊ 10 lakh ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಡೋದು 1/5. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 2 lakh. So ಹೊಸ preference share is 2 lakh. Next, they are giving you 60,000 new debentures. 60,000 ಹೊಸ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So they are giving you 60,000 new debentures. Prepare capital reduction account. The capital reduction account, by new equity share capital 25 lakh into 2/5, you get 10 lakh. and new preference share 10 lakh into 1 by 5 2 lakh and debenture 60,000. Total capital reduction to 12 lakh 60,000 transferred to capital reserve. Because no expenses and losses are written off, so capital reserve is 12 lakh 60,000. Thank you.